Newtown for the very first Mangoes Festival. Today we're going to see the Hublo Nuevo fashion show featuring beautiful garments designed by Cebuano designer Dexter Alasas, as well as lovely hand-woven textiles made by the artisans from Argao, Cebu. The show will also be featuring student models from the AD Model Summer Modeling Workshop. It's going to be really exciting. Let's watch the show! So tell us a bit about the festival and why we're having it.
Well, this is the first ever Cebu Mangoes Festival, and we're actually on our third year, but this is the first time that we've decided to hold a full-scale festival. Last year we had a mango picking, and before that we also had a mango picking, but it wasn't a full-on event like this. So we've decided, why not? We make it into a grand event like this, and we're very happy with the turnout, with the results, and we're looking forward to holding the same thing moving forward in the future, making it better, making it bigger. That's what we'll do in the coming years.
My inspiration was taken back from our house, also because our neighbors used to plant these really beautiful plants, especially the leaves like the caladium, and I've always had a thing for monstera leaves, which I would always incorporate into my designs as a graphic design student. And one day my mom, she really wanted to do something while she was sick for a while, so she said, why don't we just paint together and start a business with these bags that she had laying around for a few years. And I said, why not? So yes, our business started to take off just around last month.
I'm here with the designer for the Hublo Nuevo fashion show, Dexter Alasas. Dexter, tell us a little bit more about your collection and the work that you do with Argao weavers.
Definitely the collection is all about Hablon. It's about the dyeing industry that we're trying to help, which is in Argao, Cebu. And ever since I discovered that we have this industry in Cebu, I try to advocate it and at the same time use it in my fashion shows, which of course, because being a designer, I believe that sustainability is really the thing that we have to focus on. We don't just make clothes, but we have to think about the conscious part of creating them. And so with this collection, it's all about just colors. We're celebrating, the weaves that we have here. It's about the happy things that, that's about to happen in fashion. And I think that we're on the right track. As globally, it's really being now pushed to a lot of things, from fashion to the environment. So I think we're on the right track, and I'm so happy that we have this privilege to be part of this advocacy.
It's very cool because then we can share a little bit about the people who make the clothes and also help them have a sustainable livelihood. And I think that's really important in fashion. And Dexter, you're doing a wonderful job, and the show was absolutely beautiful, and we loved everything. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much, Michelle.
We just witnessed the Hublo Nuevo fashion show here at the Cebu Mactan Newtown. As you can see, fashion can be sustainable, and as consumers, we need to do our part and support local brands and local artisans by buying their products and sharing them with our friends and family. This has been Jessica, and this is Signatures.